Get ready for a breathtaking journey into the world of heavy transport, where massive bulldozers and colossal machinery conquer some of the most challenging terrains on land and at sea. From battling fierce ocean storms to navigating treacherous mountain roads and icy landscapes, only the most advanced technology and skilled operators can conquer these monumental obstacles. The pinnacle of heavy transport. One of the most remarkable feats of heavy transport involved the movement of the massive Liebherr 974 excavator, a machine larger than a T-Rex. Transporting such an enormous piece of equipment was no small task. The journey required a powerhouse combination of the Goldhofer hydraulic trailer and the mighty MTG X41.680 truck, boasting an astonishing 41,680 horsepower. This 10-hour journey presented constant challenges, from steep slopes to low-clearance bridges. But with seamless collaboration and expert planning, the team turned this complex operation into a masterpiece of engineering. The precision and power behind these machines are a true testament to the capabilities of modern heavy transport. The battle at sea. Heavy transport isn't confined to land. The sea presents its own set of challenges. Picture a cargo ship carrying over 30,000 logs, battling through a furious storm near the Kuril Islands. The ship's massive hull is dwarfed by waves that rise like mountains, yet the crew remains unshaken. The immense weight of the logs, coupled with the relentless forces of nature, showcases the true essence of heavy transport at sea. Remarkably, not a single log slips from the ship's hold, an extraordinary display of skill and determination in the face of nature's fury. Bulldozing the competition. On land, bulldozers like the JD1050G flex their muscles, crushing smaller trucks with ease. This machine is more than just a tool for moving dirt. It's an unstoppable force of nature, capable of leveling anything in its path. Whether it's demolishing construction sites or compacting waste at landfills, bulldozers like the JD1050G demonstrate raw power in every task. Transporting a telescope to new heights. Imagine the challenge of moving a massive telescope component to Kitt Peak in Arizona, perched 6,857 feet above sea level. The narrow, winding roads hugging cliffs present a constant challenge, especially with sudden weather swings ranging from scorching heat to icy snow. But against all odds, the team successfully moved this colossal piece of equipment to one of America's highest observatories. This operation proved that no challenge is too great for human ingenuity and determination. The battle on Roy Hill Road. One of the toughest heavy transport operations involved moving a 200-ton reclaimer along Roy Hill Road, a narrow dirt track with sharp turns and barely enough space for two trucks to pass. Each curve of the road became a high-stakes challenge, testing the driver's nerves and the machine's power. With no room for error, every move had to be executed with perfection. It's a perfect example of how the finest heavy transport engineers handle the most daunting conditions. Overcoming the mud with Soviet power. In a scene filled with smoke and intensity, the legendary T-4 Soviet Beast comes into play, pulling a log truck out of the mud with incredible force. The power of this machine is nothing short of mesmerizing, flexing its muscles to conquer nature's toughest challenges. The atmosphere is intense as the truck battles through the mud with raw determination. The 250,000 pounds crude vessel transport. Hauling a 250,000 pounds crude vessel from Salt Lake City to Casper in just 3 days is no easy feat. This operation required meticulous planning, from route surveys to coordination with utility companies. The team relied on Kenworth C500 tri-drive trucks and Trail King dollies to safely navigate under 1,200 power lines. Every twist and turn was a test of the driver's skill, but the journey was completed with precision. Another triumph in heavy transport logistics. The power of the VTN scrap shear. In the world of heavy equipment recycling, the VTN Scrap Shear C7000 shines. This machine's hydraulic force is so powerful that it can shred entire bulldozers as if they were made of cardboard. While it's tough to watch such destruction, it's a necessary part of machinery's life cycle, ensuring that older machines are safely dismantled and recycled for new innovations. Relocating a 790-ton bridge. A truly ambitious project involved relocating a 790-ton bridge in Durban, South Africa, using the Interpack box jacking system. The operation faced challenges due to structural weaknesses, but after some careful brainstorming, the team managed to devise a new strategy that successfully moved the bridge using two X10 SPMTs and Wagenborg trailers. This remarkable feat not only moved the bridge, but also showcased the critical role of innovative engineering in heavy transport, conquering Southern Chile's wild terrain. In the rugged terrain of Southern Chile, Volvo's rugged power and Scania's unstoppable V8 engines are put to the test. These trucks, fully loaded with massive logs, tackle steep and muddy slopes with ease. Their advanced suspension and axles absorb the shock of every bump and turn, displaying unmatched strength and endurance. These trucks are true heroes of the forest, capable of handling some of the most difficult terrain on Earth, battling frozen roads and seas. In one of the most extreme heavy transport operations, a colossal 224-ton debarking drum was moved across both frozen roads and frozen seas, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in winter logistics. Stretching 35 meters long, 6 meters wide, and 7.5 meters high, this massive piece of equipment posed a monumental challenge as both the land and sea routes were solidified by ice. As temperatures plummeted, the combination of road transport and maritime logistics became a race against time, with every step requiring flawless execution. Navigating the treacherous ice was perilous, yet the transport team's ability to adapt and innovate allowed them to maneuver the drum safely, utilizing specially adapted trucks and ice-breaking ships. Innovative engineering to transport an oversized turbine. Transporting an oversized turbine is a challenge that demands cutting-edge engineering and unmatched precision. In one particularly remarkable operation, an enormous wind turbine was moved through a series of custom-engineered solutions designed to overcome every obstacle in its path. The turbine, weighing hundreds of tons and measuring several meters in length, required a specially designed temporary steel bridge to navigate a difficult stretch of terrain in Canton, Connecticut. The turbine's size and weight pushed the limits of conventional transport, but through a combination of advanced planning, strategic route surveying, and the use of heavy-duty equipment, the team executed the operation flawlessly. This feat of engineering excellence not only exemplifies the capabilities of modern machinery, but also highlights the crucial role of innovation in overcoming the toughest transport challenges, demonstrating that with the right mix of technology and expertise, the monstrous Vestas Fev 90 machine house. Transporting this machine house, a colossal wind turbine nacelle, was nothing short of a monumental achievement in heavy hauling. Weighing an incredible 415 tons, this behemoth required an extraordinary combination of engineering expertise and powerful machinery to navigate its journey. The sheer size and weight of the nacelle meant that every turn was a challenge, with the oversized load demanding precise maneuvering through tight spaces and difficult terrain. As it was transported on a specially designed low loader, the immense size of the nacelle seemed to dwarf the surrounding landscape, showcasing the immense scale of modern infrastructure projects. With absolute precision, skilled drivers and cutting-edge technology worked in harmony, moving the Vestas nacelle across miles of challenging roads. The high-altitude compressor trek in Texas. The high-altitude compressor trek in Texas is a striking example of the incredible challenges faced in transporting oversized equipment through demanding landscapes. One of the standout operations in this endeavor involved hauling a massive 200,000-pound Elliott compressor over rugged terrain, where precision and power had to go hand in hand. The journey required navigating steep inclines, winding roads, and high-altitude construction sites, making every twist and turn a test of the driver's expertise. With the sheer weight of the compressor pushing the limits of the vehicles, each step of the trek was a delicate balance of engineering marvels and human ingenuity. The operation showcased how advanced technology and skilled teams can conquer the most challenging environments. The challenge of transporting colossal steel giants. Transporting colossal steel giants is an extraordinary challenge that tests the limits of engineering and logistics. One of the most impressive examples of this feat involves the movement of massive steel containers, each tipping the scales at 245 tons, from Bucharest to Constanta. These containers, measuring nearly 11 meters wide and 22 meters long, present significant obstacles due to their sheer size and weight. The journey requires careful planning and expert coordination, with the containers being transported on low loaders and ships, navigating some of the most difficult routes. The seasoned professionals at Felber have mastered the art of moving these steel behemoths, ensuring they are safely delivered to their destination. Every step of the journey, whether it's navigating tight corners, uneven terrain, or dealing with unpredictable weather, requires unparalleled skill and determination, proving that no challenge is too big for the right team and technology. The final frontier, Super Saturday. In Australia, Super Saturday has become a legendary event on the Great Northern Highway, where oversized loads take center stage. Each Saturday, the highway transforms into a spectacle of massive machinery, with everything from excavators to dump trucks transported in tandem. Due to the mining boom, these heavy loads are only allowed on the road during this designated day, making it a rare and exciting occasion. The trucks carrying these colossal pieces of equipment must work in unison, one for the dump bucket, another for the chassis, and sometimes even a third for the wheels. The Brockman Bridge becomes the site of intense maneuvering, as these giant loads face off against powerful road trains, navigating sharp curves and narrow passages. Super Saturday is a thrilling display of precision and power, showcasing the incredible feats of engineering required to transport some of the largest machinery in the world. If you enjoyed witnessing these mind-blowing feats of strength and ingenuity, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support fuels our passion to bring you more jaw-dropping adventures in the world of heavy transport. Stay tuned for even more thrilling stories and incredible machines. See you in the next one.